In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checklists in Asana. Asana is an incredibly versatile tool, essentially allowing you to turn your projects into dynamic checklists. This feature is especially useful for keeping tasks organized, whether you are planning a personal project or coordinating a team effort. To get started, you'll first want to open Asana and locate the Create button. You'll find this in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking this will provide you with several options. From this menu, select the project option. It's important here to choose the right way to start your checklist. And selecting a project is pivotal, because Asana handles projects by converting them into table-like structures that can easily be managed as checklists. Next, you'll be prompted to select a template for your project. For the purpose of creating a streamlined checklist, choose the blank project option. This allows you to start with a clean slate, giving you the flexibility to customize your checklist as needed without the constraints of a preset template. Once you have chosen to create a blank project, it's time to give your new checklist a name. Think of a title that clearly reflects the content it will cover, whether that's weekly to-dos, grocery list, or product launch tasks. A clear and descriptive title helps you and your team quickly identify the purpose of the checklist at a glance. After naming your project, you'll need to set its privacy settings. Asana provides options to either keep the project private to you or make it accessible to your entire team workspace. If it's a personal task list, you might prefer to keep it private. However, if it's a checklist intended for a team project, ensuring that others can access and modify it as necessary could foster better collaboration. You're almost there. Continue by choosing the view tabs that best suit your checklist needs. Asana offers a variety of views such as list, board, calendar, and timeline. For a traditional checklist experience, the list view is generally preferred. It provides a straightforward, linear approach to task management, allowing you to easily tick off completed tasks. And there you go. You've created a new checklist in Asana that you can now personalize to fit your specific needs. Whether you're adding task details, assigning responsibilities, or setting due dates, this checklist will be a pivotal tool in keeping you organized and efficient. As you get more comfortable, feel free to explore Asana's other features like task dependencies and custom fields to refine and enhance your checklist further. So go ahead, dive into Asana, and start creating checklists that simplify your workflows and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.